Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create a playlist on your Facebook and you can upload your reel in your selected playlist. So for that, just open your Facebook account, just click on create a reel. Simply select any reel that you want to create. That's why I will select this one. Just simply click on next, and here you can see the option called add to playlist. Just simply click on this add to playlist, and here you can see at the top right side there are the plus option. Just simply click on this plus option, and now simply give a name to your playlist. That's why I will give it to the reels, and simply click on save. Now your playlist has been created. Now again go to your playlist, and you can see the option called reels. Just simply click on this reel playlist, and your this video will be added to the reels playlist that you have created just now. So just give your title, description, and simply click on share now, and your reel will be uploaded in reels playlist.